Well, good morning, YouTubers. Just stopped for a bacon sandwich at Dick Turpin's on the A59. And we're about to leave. See if we can find a nice straight road to do a bit of experimental camera work. Do you want me to go? We're following Brian this morning, and he's on his new Kawasaki Versus 1000 SE GT. We won't be out this weekend on the bikes. We're all sort of doing other things. Been having a chat in the comments with a subscriber called Peter, and we're both having trouble with the MV Augusta app, which doesn't seem to work. We've got our iPhones connected to the motorcycle, and it says MV Bluetooth connected, but when you try to go into the app to alter the engine mapping, it just says requesting information and then throws you to demo mode. So if there's anybody out there who's sorted this problem, apparently it's quite a big problem, because I've been on the MV Augusta forum and it seems that other people have had this issue. So if you know a solution, drop us a comment and tell us how to fix it. It'd be much appreciated. Now just dropped onto the A682, heading towards Kirby Longsdale. I'm sure most people who watch my channel who live in England have been on this road. It's a really nice, twisty, insinuous road. Unfortunately, we have speed limits, and it takes the fun out of it sometimes, but I quite like this road. So will we ever be able to go touring in Europe again? Who knows? I'm hoping by next year, 2022, planning to do a run. I plan for 2020. I'm staying with my cousins in the Drôme area of France and doing some alpine touring. Unfortunately, because of the you-know-what, we had to put off that trip. And again this year, France is locked down to UK visitors, or non-essential travel, I should say. And Tony, who's behind me on his BMW, planned to go touring with his wife Christine. Had to postpone his trip as well. So we're having to make do with England, which is not a bad place when you get the great weather. I'm trying to organise a trip up to Scotland, and believe it or not, I've never actually toured a lot in Scotland. I've been up to Loch Lomond and Driven, because I used to have relations who lived up there. So I wouldn't mind going down the A82, I think it is, which looks like a stunning piece of road. Maybe we'll get there this year, who knows. We have a couple of overnight trips planned, the Unhurried, and hopefully we'll get those on video for you.